Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know what sound it makes? It says p, like a little puff of air. P. Can you do that with me 3 times? We're going to say p, p, p. Ready? Okay. P, p, p. 2 words that start with the p sound are pig and pizza. Can you hear the p sounds? Let's say those together. Pig, pizza. Now, let's use our bodies to help us remember the p sound. We're going to pretend that we have a big piece of cake with lots of candles. Now we're going to blow all of those candles out by going p, p, p. Are you ready to do that with me? Go. Good job blowing out your candles. Now, let's play our sound game. Get your pointer fingers ready. Point to the word that starts with P. Lion, shoe, pie. Lion, shoe, pie. Excellent job. It's pie. You did a very good job learning the P sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.